Our topic is South China Sea. If you're going to discuss about South China Sea, then we say it's a region in the eastern country of the Asia, like Vietnam, Japan, Laos, Cambodia, and also China is surrounded by this type of country. But this country, the all of this country parted in the South China Sea. On the basis of United Nations, their territory coastal boundary consist in it. But if we talk about the China want to encroach and rule over all the South China Sea.
As a friends,
And
I agree with you. As you know that a country which is situated the coastal areas of any ocean or seas, then the nautical miles are only his national national border, and after that after that total are in international. But what are main reason behind the China wants to involve all over the South China Sea? Uh, because I think because its main cause, there are many petroleums, so many petroleums,
yes,
and
friend, you
a
are saying
lot
right.
of also in gas,
It,
and south and from the South China Sea there are 30% trades from the
Yes, friend, you are saying right. You know that South China Sea is split in 36 lakh square kilometers, and also it is part of many countries participate in
Yeah.
South China Sea: Brunei, Malaysia, Philippines, Vietnam, Thailand, and after China.
Yeah.
But China in 2013, China saw a map in 9 dash line
Yeah.
in history of 1935, and he said that in our other country, 9 dash lines is my parts, and he also developed our artificial
Yeah.
port, and also he possessions parcels.
Yes, friend, you are saying right. But
Philippines, and Philippines claim the UNO, United Nations, and UNO result in favor of Philippines.
But
Philippines,
China
but
does not
deny to accept it.
accepted the UNO result, and he.
Yes, friend, you are
you
saying
think
right.
all over
China denied
all
all
over
the.
the countries
all
who
countries-
participate in the South China Sea.
South China Sea, yes.
Yes, friend, you are saying right. China denied the all proposal given by the United Nations on the region of the South China Sea. If you talk about the 9 dash line, this result is given by United Nations in the favor of Philippines, but China denied to accept it. China want to establish their own control on South China Sea. The main reason behind it is that the South China Sea is a South China Sea consists approx 4 trillion barrel petroleum,
That's
and
all.
also 5.
Friends, as you
Yes,
know
friend, you are
that
showing
before
right.
before
Also, you
some
know that China
before some months,
South China Sea,
China
many natural gas production in South China and petroleum, and also minerals, and China also production fisheries. So it's also increase your
Yes, but if we talk about the fishing, then 10% of all the 10% of the fishers is given by the South China
Yes.
Sea in the world,
As you know,
and
friends, as you know
40% of
that
the trade
after some
is by the South China Sea over the all trade in the world.
as you know that friends, before some months, China attacked Vietnam ships and also destroy it, but Vietnam not speak against the China because he is weak and behind the China's. I think India and America should be helped those country who is threatened by the China in the South China Sea, and also India should be agreement with the countries to निकालने
Yes,
में
friend, you are
मतलब
saying
to निकालने में with
Yes,
the
friend,
petroleum
Mining
and
of the
also
water.
mining.
rights,
Mining of the petroleum.
India and USA, who country immigrates and big, so he helped to Vietnam and Malaysia and Philippines like
Yes, friend. If we
small
talk
trade,
about the
and he
challenges
also-
faced by the China in South China region, then we saw if America involved in this region to protect the Japan, and it's also patrolling in this region by their coastal security. Then China is going to face a very big problem against the superpower, and that's why China want to establish their, and China is going to manufacture artificial Iceland in this particular sector, because the United Nations is clear that the two nautical mile around your particular region, that's all water part is yours, and this
After that-
this type of agreement and treaty China want to get advantage, and also they want to they has been deployed their armed forces in this particular Chinese, in this particular South China Sea region, where they have mainly three or four artificial island China has established in this particular region. And also China don't want to accept any agreement and any proposal given by the United Nations to South China region. And if any country like Philippines, Vietnam, they say the 2 nautical mile in South China Sea is my, then China denied to accept it. China say the all
Now,
of
friends,
South China Sea is mine.
Now, friends,
Yes.
we talk about the which what कौन मतलब which are country those face the Chinese face to face. If I talk about it, then the only India and America is only powerful countries who face the Chinese.
Yes, friend, you are saying right. Also, you know that USA when patrolling in China Sea, China protects and against stop the patrolling of USA, and USA take good step against China, and he also our military forces who based in European country who take in South China Sea and. South China Sea, and also you know there's in South China Sea, Japan.
Yes, friend, it is
and
very-
Philippines,
it
and
is
Malaya
very
countries
good
lies.
point.
And
If
also
it-
you know that Japan's safety and security so responsibility of USA. So USA is involved in these matters, and so I think.
Yes, friend, it is very good point given by you in on this particular point. If you talk about the what should India do for their neighboring country like Vietnam in the South China region, then we saw India should deploy their ammunition and weapons to their neighboring country to protect the South China Sea, and also India
I
should
agree with you, friends.
get advantage of this
Yeah.
particular situation
And
which are
also, I agree with
available in the
friends.
South China
I
Sea.
agree with you, friends. As you know that the India is also provide the Vietnam our BrahMos missile. It is